Being an Elvis fan and getting to do Elvis tattoos while Elvis music is playing on Elvis's birthday, oh my gosh, I am a happy cat. I did about 4 tattoos already. I'm about to do a big one, which isn't on the list of $7 tattoos, but somebody had a special request, so I'm doing a big Elvis face for him.
I am an Elvis fan. I can't say that I am as much of an Elvis fan as some of our other folks that we have here tonight. But yeah, I mean, he's the one who started rock and roll. Start out.
Why the King? Because everybody tries to be like him and they copy his music, and he was a big movement in sound at the time. He did stuff that nobody else had done before.
What Elvis would be doing or what Elvis did doesn't count. What Elvis is doing and what you're doing right now, that's what counts. Looks great.
Happy birthday, Elvis. Everyone in Oakland loves you. We wish you were here partying with us.